people that are poor, they always think the present time. They think their family, their relatives, and friends. Alam nyo ba yung mga friends nyo, hindi kanila iniisip? Akala mo BFF kanila? They don't think of you. You always think about the present. Ano bang kondisyon mo ngayon? Lack? You always think about the present lack. Why don't you think about the future, which has unlimited potential if you give? What about yung mga mayaman? They think of the present, they think of the future, but it is only related to family and short-term business. They don't think about generational business. They don't think about their apo, their kaapo-apuhan. What about people that have dominion mindset? They think of the present, but focus more on the future, their family, their church, kingdom work, long-term investment, community, and even the nation and the world. Mas malawak po ang impact ng mga tao na merong dominion mindset. So what are you going to do? Give!